Updating your primary email on Robinhood is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Email Preferences. This section will allow you to view and change your email address. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter a new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Confirm the change. After entering your new email, follow any prompts to confirm the change. You may need to verify your new email address by clicking on a link sent to that email. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Robinhood will be updated. Regularly check your email for important notifications and updates related to your account.